FDX stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying or am I not? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. So as I'm just looking at FedEx stock, I saw the price melt, then I saw the price starting to at least peak up. With this in mind, am I gonna be coming out here to be buying? Not necessarily. I mean, because I've done so many videos like this, like 38,000 more than anyone else in this scene, FDX was a proper buy as long as the rules were met, and they never were met, which I was kind of expecting, but there you go. I gave it a chance. I gave it like one last chance for this to kind of redeem itself, and now it's here. One thing that I must also say is that as we're sitting at 250 bucks, it's going to be like that. And it's only going to be something of structure, at least for me, if there is this double break in order for me to keep taking things up. And if it doesn't give me this, then me buying is just not going to be the option. So that's how FDX is looking like. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's that free sauce.